Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Monday.com for grant management, your complete 2025 guide. To kick off, let's create a new board. Click on Add New, then Blank Board. Name it Grant Management 2025. This step is crucial because the board is where you'll track every detail of your grants. Now that we've done that, let's add some columns. Click on Add Column. Then add a text column for grant name, a status column for application status, a date column for submission deadline, and a numbers column for grant amount. The reason we do this is to have all vital information about each grant at our fingertips. Once the columns are set, let's add some items. These represent your individual grants. Click on Add Item and fill in the grant name, application status, submission deadline, and grant amount for each grant you're managing. This helps us because it allows us to see all our grant information in one easy-to-read layout. Next up, we're going to set up automations. Click on Automations, then add a new automation. Choose When a Date Arrives, change status to something. Set the trigger date to your submission deadline and choose Deadline Today as the status. The reason we do this is to ensure we never miss a submission deadline. Now let's take a moment to understand why this matters. By setting up these automations, Monday.com will automatically remind us of approaching deadlines, taking a huge load off our minds. Finally, let's create a dashboard. Click on Add New, then Dashboard. This will give you an overview of all your grants. Add widgets like Timeline for deadlines and Numbers for total funding. This is important because it helps us visually track our progress and see where we stand at a glance. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is taking all the data from your board and presenting it in a way that's easy to understand, helping you stay organized and efficient. And that's it. You're now ready to use Monday.com to manage your grants effectively. Remember, the key is to keep your board updated and let the automations do the work for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.